There is no yardstick to measure the achievements of one life, one career, one unbroken chain of contribution over time. The quantity is countless. The value is priceless. And the impact is something that can only be deeply felt and solemnly held by those who have stood witness and learned and modeled their own behavior to follow. Criteria for selection into the Carrier Dealer Hall of Fame are many. They include exhibiting the principles of leadership practiced by Willis Carrier and described by Edward T. Murphy in his book about Carrier. Traits like enthusiasm, loyalty, vision, continuous improvement, integrity, in a business that contributes to better health and living for people, by which a real service is rendered to mankind. The honorees selected for placement into the Carrier Dealer Hall of Fame have lived these principles throughout their careers, and in doing so, have won the respect of their peers, the trust of their local communities, and Carrier's gratitude. Of equal importance, they've added strength to an entire industry and to the bridge that ties Carrier's principled past to greater hope for the future. There is no greater legacy in ours or in any business endeavor.